Okay, so what's your answer?
So our answer was 2 challenges that the driver and her dogs faced were cold and darkness. In the text, it asks many times if the team would make it home before nightfall, and the way the author wrote it indicates that they want to get home. Also, the text states that the terrain is icy and cold, and the way the author wrote that indicates the team is very uncomfortable.
Okay. Thinking about your answer and the ones that you saw up here, what would you give yours? Level 1, 2, 3, or 4? Yeah?
I think we could give it a level 4.
Why?
I think because we have the 2 challenges, cold and darkness.
Yeah?
And we have lots of support from the text from both things and our own ideas.
You've got it.
Also,
Yeah?
in our proof, it's not just proof why that's in the text, it's proof that they are uncomfortable and they're actually challenges. It's not just proof that what we're saying is in the text.
Absolutely. It actually connects back to your conclusion. So, I need somebody else who is willing to read theirs out loud. Come on. Anyone. It doesn't matter which one it is because we're just trying to make it better. Oh, Ava. Thanks. Okay, so Ava, what's yours?
Mine says, one of the challenges was the snow and ice on their way to try to get home. They also faced freezing and extreme hunger, and they had to get home before dark. I know because it said the dog sped past icy caverns, and it said deep in their belly hunger growled, and it was also questioning whether they could get home before darkness, so which means like they have to.
Okay, so your answer, how would you assess it? Would you give it a level 1, 2, 3, or 4 based on?
I would give it a level 3 or 4 because I said the challenges and I explained and gave proof from the text.
Okay, so then with that, why are you kind of vacillating between the level 3 and 4? Why aren't you sure which one? Or which one do you think it should be? Should it be the why?
Because it has the proof and it
has the proof, and what else does it have? Did you draw conclusions?
Yes.
And did you make the accurate proof for the conclusions?
Yes.
Then based on that, what is it? 4. You got it. And it's nice to see more people that are aware of where their writing falls. If yours is not one that you think would be a level 3 or 4, re-look at it. What could you add to it that you think? What, are you ready? Okay.
I don't want to read mine, I just know
okay.
what I think to make it better.
Okay, so what would you think then?
I put proof to the text because I didn't put it.
Okay, so then with that in mind, what would you be able to bump it up to if you added that proof?
I'd probably put it up to like a C plus or like 4 lines.
Okay. So based on it now, where do you think it probably is?
Like a 2.
Okay, but you know what you need to do to make it better, and that's the key. Thank you, Ty.